Step one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. As he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere alone in the bitterness, and I put out stayed up with you all night. And I know how to stay alive.
To be a good surgeon, you have to think like a surgeon. Emotions are messy. Tuck them neatly away and step into a clean, sterile room where the procedure is simple. Cut, suture, and close.
Addison? What are you doing here?
You changed your hair.
Yeah, I changed a lot of things.
I like it. You look... Well, I always thought you were too cute for your own good, but now you look positively Russell Crowe.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? You just walk out on everything? Your house, your practice, your friends. You had a life in Manhattan.
I also had a wife in Manhattan.
And now you have a girlfriend in Seattle. She seems sweet.
The ice under your feet is very thin.
She's young, with that wide-eyed, ooh, he's a brain surgeon thing going on, but still sweet. Which was what you were going for, right? The anti-Addison?
If you came back here to try to get me back...
I did. I flew all the way across the country to win back my man. I thought we could reminisce over some wedding photos, get drunk, fall into bed, and you'd realize that you can't live without me. Forgot how fun it was to freak you out. I'm here for work, Derek. I'm helming the TTTS case. You guys admitted last week. From Richard's briefing, I'll be safely back on my side of the country in a few days.
Richard knew you were coming?
Yeah, he asked me to come. Didn't tell you?
No, he didn't.
Oh, well. Surprise. The hair, though? You know, I've always had a thing for Russell Crowe.
Let's play a game of whose life sucks the most.
Let's not.
You know you deserved it.
I win. I always win, and this time I really win.
Sometimes the president deserves to get punched in the face.
You don't want to play, I don't want to play with you.
No, I do. Here, I'll go first. Derek's married.
George Barrett's dripping from your nostrils.
What?
See? Told you I'd win.
You didn't win.
Did you hear me? Derek is married, as in pig-headed, adulterous, liar married. There's nothing you can say that could top that.
I'm pregnant. I win.
Addison? You asked Addison?
Both know she's the best in her field. Bringing Addie out was a business decision, nothing personal.
Oh, well, what a relief. It's nothing personal. It's personal to me.
The workings of my surgical unit do not include your
Do not include my wife.
Do not include your personal life. Burke will act as chief surgeon until I'm back on my feet.
You're giving chief to Burke.
Like I said, there's no room for personal in being chief.
And what is that supposed to mean?
How long have you been sleeping with an intern?
I guess part of being chief is personal then, isn't it?
Closer on your way out.
Meredith,
Go away.
we should discuss this.
Here's a thought. No. Quit following me.
At least let me explain.
Explain? You know when you should have explained? The night we met at the bar. Before any of the rest of it. Yeah, we should have discussed this then.
I know how you feel.
Do you? Do you know how I feel? Somehow I doubt it, because if you did, you leave me the hell alone. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have work to do. I'm assisting your wife with her patient.
Define TTTS.
Twin-twin transfusion syndrome, conjoined fetal twins.
Connected by.
blood vessels in the placenta.
Meaning? One twin receives too much blood and the other one too little, endangering the lives of both. I would expect you to know that.
They told me there wasn't much chance that anything could be done, but...
TTTS is almost impossible to correct, unless you're one of the handful of surgeons in the world who know how to separate the blood vessels, which luckily for you I am. So I've scheduled your surgery for tomorrow. If you need anything, ask Dr. Grey. From what I've seen, she's one of the hospital's most popular interns.
I knew the answer to your question had you given me the chance.
Chin up, Dr. Grey. I'm tough on everyone, not just the woman my husband sleeps with.
Good. You're here. Let's get started.
Okay.
O'Malley, you're touching me.
Well, yeah. No?
As long as I'm in here, I won't know what's going on out there with my patients, my doctors, my hospital. I want you to be my eyes today, my ears. I need you to be a sponge.
A sponge?
You report any and everything in this hospital to me.
I'm an investigative sponge.
I'm not fooling around, O'Malley. Too much has been going on under my radar. It stops today.
What does it take to go after another woman's husband?
Excuse me?
It happened to me. Jeff moved in with this long-legged miniskirt who answers his phones. 3 weeks into my pregnancy.
Sorry. I'm sorry about your husband.
Are you sorry about Dr. Montgomery Shepard's husband?
I'll be checking a few things today.
I bet she has to work with you. That's what I would have done.
Twins' heart rate, fluid levels,
When I found out about the miniskirt, I called her up and asked her out to lunch.
fetal locations, ovaries.
I was perfectly civil, told her that these things happen and that I don't hold it against her. But really, I just wanted to put a face to the bitch who stole my husband.
I'm going to go check on your labs.
Hey, you don't speak now that you're the new chief? Burke.
What do you want?
What?
What do you want? You don't want to go to dinner with me. You don't want to meet me in the on-call room. You sure as hell don't want to talk to me. I could pretend I know why, but... Hey, I don't even know your phone number. So what do you want?
Don't yell at me. We're having a conversation here.
What do you want?
I don't know!
Angel wings spread over water.
Figure it out.
Guarding the dreams and things left unsaid. Here we are wandering, aimlessly roaming. Lovers who live.
Hi, Chief. No, nothing going on. Apart from your insurance chief making out with my friend in the hallway. But still, besides that, TV sucks.
Talking to yourself?
Yes. No. I mean, damn it. I'm a bad sponge. I'm a leaky kind of sponge. I leak all the bad wrong secrets. Because I'm a bad liar. See? I can't even lie about not talking to myself. You look nice today.
Or my new lip gloss. Because my ex-boyfriend's wife is like Isabella freaking Rossellini, and I'm like me. I'm trying to outdo her when she's a victim here. How ridiculous is that?
Not ridiculous. Smart. Gloss, for instance, prevents chapped lips. And do you really mean ex-boyfriend?
I'm an evil mistress.
Still, you looking nice.
Thanks, George. What are you doing here? Okay, O'Malley, out with it.
Do you find any reason why you think Christina would be kissing Burke?
Took a lot of nerve requesting Meredith.
She came very highly recommended.
All right.
So you don't recommend her?
I didn't say that.
Just not for her medical skills.
Shut up.
Dr. Shepard?
Yes.
Dr. Montgomery Shepard. Labs confirm what looked like abnormalities on the ultrasound, a bilateral pleural effusion. I think you should come see for yourself.
Fine, let's go.
There it is.
Oh.
What's your report?
No report. Very quiet today, sir.
There's no news, gossip, surgeries I should know about? Burke and Shepard marking territory in the playground? What's the buzz, O'Malley?
No buzz. Nothing in the stairway. Nothing in the OR. Nothing in the stairwell. Nothing in the hallway. Really, nothing in the hallway. I should go.
Well, we caught the complication just in time thanks to Dr. Grey.
And my babies?
Your babies are doing very well. And Dr. Grey will be in to check on you later.
Actually, I prefer if Dr. Grey were taken off the case.
Is there a problem?
Well, she just reminds me of someone I don't like very much. Someone my husband likes a lot. Particularly in lingerie. You understand.
No. No, I don't understand.
Well, she's sleeping with your husband, isn't she?
Miss Phillips, I lacked Dr. Grey's class and patience, so let me set the record straight. I cheated on my husband. My husband didn't cheat on me. So if there's a wronged woman here, it's Dr. Grey. And seeing as she put up with you all day long without complaint, while still providing you with the best medical care possible, which may have saved your baby's lives, I think you owe her one hell of an apology.
Get in here, O'Malley.
Okay. I tried. I really tried. But there's a lot of stuff going on out there. Stuff I can't talk about. No. Stuff I won't talk about. Crazy stuff. Stuff I've been having going nightmares about. I'm not going to tell you about any of it, because it doesn't matter.
O'Malley.
Let me finish. You can fire me on disciplinary action or whatever, but I can't talk to you about any of it.
O'Malley. Enough. Fine. You are relieved from sponge duty.
Thanks, sir.
And O'Malley,
Yes, sir.
if you ever yell at me like that again, I'll snap you like a twig.
Yes, sir.
What did you tell her?
That sometimes people do desperate things to attract attention.
Wow. That's your side of this? That I didn't give you enough attention? That's what you were thinking when you screwed my best friend?
No, Derek, by that time I wasn't thinking at all. By that time I was just scratching an itch. We got successful, you and I. We got busy and we got lazy. We didn't even bother to fight anymore, and now I'm sorry. I'm more sorry than you could ever imagine.
Let me be very clear about this. The day you screwed my best friend, you killed everything I ever believed in. And the day you came here, you killed everything I had with Meredith. So if it is even possible to hate you more than I do now, then I do.
You found all the words you need. Well, I found nothing. I just grumble. 'Cause I don't know what I...
What'd she tell you?
Enough to make me come find you, to hear your side when it's the last thing I want to do.
We had the perfect marriage. I had the perfect wife. We lived in the perfect brownstone on the Upper West Side. A lot of perfect. One night I come home, I go inside, and something's different. I don't know how I know, but I just know. And I go upstairs and I walk down the hallway, and I step on a man's jacket. A man's jacket that doesn't belong to me, but a jacket I recognize. And I know now that I'm not just gonna see that my wife is cheating on me. I'm gonna see that my wife's cheating on me with my best friend. And nothing's perfect. Everything's different. the whole thing is so pedestrian and common, dirty, cruel. Mostly just cruel. So I left and I came here and
you met me.
I met you.
You could have told me, I would have understood.
Would you? If I came up to you that night at Joe's bar and I said, hey, this is what happened, you would have understood? You would have said, hey, yeah, this is the guy for me.
You could have given me the chance.
And now it's too late.
What was I to you? The girl you screwed to get over being screwed? You're right, it's too late.
I was drowning. And you were like coming up for air. That's all I know.
That's not enough. Theory is, the more you think like a surgeon, the more you become one, the better you get at remaining neutral, clinical, cold. Cut, suture, close.
In love with you. There's no turning back. There's no turning back. Since I let myself fall in